I liked the chemistry between the hero and heroine, but there was a small thing missing in that.
क्या?
And the other point which is lacking is item song, I guess.
एक गांड पे रैप्टा मारा ना, सड़क पे हकता फिरेगा.
How do you like the movie, or you liked it or not? Did it meet your expectations or not?
I did not like the movie.
Okay.
Amazing Spider-Man and No Way Home is like always the best. This was nowhere close.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Okay, you liked the movie or not, or did it meet your expectations or not?
Actually, it did met my expectations, but I thought in this movie MJ would get near to Spider-Man, but even in this movie Spider-Man couldn't get the MJ. I hope it would get a better next one.
Depression.
It's simple. It's simple. You liked the movie or not?
Okay,
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना.
I liked the movie, of course. It's a Marvel movie, but I did expect a little more because it's the second day. It was pretty hyped.
Next.
Please बताइए कि आपको ये मूवी कैसी लगी? Did it meet your expectations or not?
मेरा तो हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन थे, लेकिन मूवी तो ठीक ठाक लगा मुझे.
Okay, so मतलब आपको लग रहा है ये जो हाइप है वो एकदम सही है, लाइक मीट कर रहा है वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस? हाइप
मतलब स्पाइडरमैन फैंस के लिए एक अच्छा ही है मौका.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
You can say anything you want to say.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
say.
So I liked the chemistry between the hero and heroine, but there was a small thing missing in that.
Okay.
I've come with so much expectation, but I couldn't reach that. And the post-credit scene was just 10 seconds. That's all. So
Okay.
I was expecting at least 2 minutes of post-credit scene.
Okay.
And the other point which is lacking is item song, I guess. I mean,
want items?
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Yeah. There are more suspense scenes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about their chemistry and their love? Like, do he remember?
No. I don't want
I'm
to reveal.
asking,
Actually.
spoiling,
It's,
yeah.
yeah. I don't want to reveal the stuff and all.
Very good.
Yeah. But there was more scenes about Hulk and how the hormones get changed. I mean, I don't want to
Okay.
reveal more. Yeah. But
Okay.
yeah.
I'm not saying anything.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
so
yeah.
you liked it?
Yeah. Overall,
Overall
it's
it's okay. Like,
it's
it's
great. It's
worth
great.
it.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
And
So-
watch it in 3D. If
So
you-
what about the hype in India that it is like do you think it is like okay according to our expectations of a Hollywood or Tollywood movies?
Yes, definitely. The hype is very high, and Marvel fans would love it. Yeah. But you have to see. You have to watch the other movies as such.
To
Like, yeah.
I just want to ask you one last question. What do you think in like South India, especially Telangana, Hyderabad, how much like all these people like do they really have the craze, or I mean according to
They do have. See me. See that guy. I'm wearing a mask. So many people have come with the Marvel T-shirts and Spider-Man stuff.
I'm seeing
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Iron
yeah.
Man and Spider-Man.
The people are crazy. The South Indians are very crazy about these Marvel movies. Yeah,
Right.
especially
So-
for Spider-Man. Yeah.
So do you recommend this?
Yes, definitely. 10 by 10.
Great.
Yeah, 10 by 10.
Okay, thank you
Great
so
watch.
much. How do you like the movie, or you liked it or not? Did it meet your expectations or not?
I did not like the movie.
Negative review. Okay.
So compared to all the Spider-Mans, it was like probably the worst Spider-Man movie. And so the thing was, No Way Home set like a really, really high expectation. And then after that, Brand New Day seemed to be very good, but then, yeah,
So what exactly you did not like?
I think that would be a spoiler, right?
Okay. Oh, so you don't want to give spoiler also, but you did not like also.
Fans never give spoilers.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So do you recommend this or not? Okay.
Amazing Spider-Man and No Way Home is like always the best. This was nowhere close. Yeah.
So you are a hardcore fan of those.
Yeah, I mean, for Marvel as whole, yeah.
Great.
It's fine movie. Yeah, movie is very good and like fight scenes are like quite exciting to watch.
So do you recommend this?
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, 100%.
The story was like a routine story, but the ending was great.
Great.
Yeah.
So it did meet your expectations.
Yeah, obviously.
Great. Thank you so much. Okay, you liked the movie or not, or did it meet your expectations or not?
Actually, it did met my expectations, but I thought in this movie MJ would get near to Spider-Man. But even in this movie, Spider-Man couldn't get the MJ. I hope it would get a better next one.
So this was a spoiler, huh?
No,
Little bit.
no, it's not a spoiler, but I think people who like Spider-Man will like this movie for sure, because it's far more better than before movies, I guess.
Okay.
And it's a little bit good. I get it gets even more good in Doomsday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So do you recommend this to everyone?
Yeah, I'll recommend to this everyone to watch. That's a great movie.
Okay.
Great watch time.
Great. Thank you. So do you recommend this for others?
Yeah, definitely. Everyone should say this. Every Spider-Man fan should say this.
See this? So is it worth it?
Definitely. Every paisa of it.
And you run meme page.
Yeah.
This is like. Tell.
A little shout out to my main page, Marvel Knights Telugu.
Okay. So you make memes in Telugu.
Yeah, Telugu.
All right, great. So do you think this movie is your meme page worthy?
Yeah, definitely.
So you'll definitely make it.
Yeah, it will definitely.
Great. Okay.
And one thing, 2 billion is a cakewalk for the movie.
Huh?
2 billion is a cakewalk for the movie.
Okay. So I am still in like doubt. Is this like positive review or negative review?
No, bro, it's definitely positive. I absolutely loved it. Great performances, great action pieces actually.
Okay.
Great action sequences, great stunts. And more to it.
Anything else you want to add about the love story or anything?
Love story, yeah, it is there, but it's mostly a sad and depression one.
Depression one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because his long lost love, 4 years, there was a 4 years gap actually. So
did he get her?
no,
Spoiler given.
he might in the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a chance that another part will also come.
Yeah, I'm hoping for at least 3 to 4 parts.
Wow. Okay. Great. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's simple. It's simple. You liked the movie or not?
Okay, I liked the movie, of course. It's a Marvel movie, but I did expect a little more because it's the second day. It was pretty hyped from the people who watched it the first day. But of course, it's a Marvel movie at the end of the day. I really enjoyed it. Lot of scenes that I didn't expect would be there, but it happened. And of course, all the actors were great. They acted really well. And a few previous Marvel, of course, from the Avengers, who you will be seeing. Not a spoiler.
Okay.
So it was
So
really
one more thing I want to watch. I want to ask that what do you think about other parts, and like here did Tom Holland like become little more mature about the story or love story or about his own personal life?
Again, not giving a spoiler, but
It is
yes,
not
a
spoiler.
lot.
Okay.
Like you'll see his character evolve, and yeah, I don't want to say more than this. Like you need to watch the movie to know.
Damn, I wanted to know. Okay.
Yeah, in every way, his character evolves. In aspects of friendship and love life, as a superhero. Yeah.
Okay. So are we expecting any more parts after this movie? Do you think so? Is that a possibility?
No, I mean,
yeah. That's
yeah, Doomsday is coming, but yeah, again, watch the movie to know.
Okay, great. Again, in a very nice way, you ended it. Thank you so much.
I don't want to spoil this for other Marvel fans.
Understandable.
But it was a great movie. A little underwhelmed because it's the second day, but I think if you're not expecting too much, it's a great watch. And yeah, watch other previous parts to understand the movie better if you've not watched other Marvel movies. But yeah, loved it.
Thank you so much.
पूरे शोज देख रखे हैं,
Okay.
सब देख रखा है, तो स्पाइडरमैन फेवरेट है। वो जो तकलीफ होती है ना उसको,
Pain.
गरीबी में MIT में एडमिशन नहीं मिल रहा है, गर्लफ्रेंड पढ़ानी है, तो वो देख के मजा आता है कि यार कुछ तो है इस बंदे में। अपनी भी लाइफ ऐसी ही तो है, स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं हम लोग कितना भी, मतलब उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड होते हुए भी उसके पास नहीं है। बहुत जैसे स्पाइडरमैन की टोबी मैग्योर की स्पाइडरमैन है, तो वो स्पाइडरमैन को प्यार करती है, पीटर पार्कर को नहीं। एंड्रू गारफील्ड वाला क्या है कि वो स्पाइडरमैन को नहीं करती, वो बेस्ट लगता है मुझे, वो पीटर पार्कर को करती है। तो इसमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है। तो
अच्छी बात है वो भी तो यहाँ इस मूवी से आपको क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, क्योंकि इंडिया में इस लार्ज स्केल में इसका ये जो रिस्पॉन्स है, तो आप क्या सोच रहे हो कि कैसे होगा?
कमाई पैसा बहुत ज़्यादा, पहली चीज़।
स्पेशली जेंजीज से।
हाँ, मैं तो बहुत दूर से आया हूँ देखने, प्रसाद में स्पेशली, भुवनेश्वर से आया हूँ।
ओह वाओ।
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे मेरी दोस्त के साथ देखना था, तो मैं वहाँ से 2 दिन पहले आया और कल की टिकट्स मुझे मिली नहीं, आज मिली, तो अब वो भी उसका हाफ डे में ऑफिस का दिला के बुला रहा हूँ, तो आप समझ सकते हो कि
ऑफिस बंद करके मूवी, ये होता है हाइप।
एक्साइटमेंट। उसका मैसेज आ रहा है कि तुम चले जा सकते हो अगर स्टार्ट हो इंस्टाग्राम पे, मैं कहने वेट कर ले तो 5 मिनट छूट जाएगी, कोई बात नहीं यार। तो ये आप सोच लो, मैं लगभग कितना 1000 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल किया हूँ। हाँ, 2 किलोमीटर वो ट्रेवल कर रही है, तो इस ट्रैफिक में फंसी हुई है, तो एक्सपेक्टेशन मस्त है।
डेडिकेशन मैन, टॉम हॉलैंड के लिए।
नहीं, स्पाइडरमैन
ओके, स्पाइडरमैन के लिए।
नॉट एक्टर, वो जो क्योंकि स्पाइडरमैन की मैंने कॉमिक्स भी पढ़ी हुई हैं लगभग।
डाई हार्ड फैन मतलब।
अरे मतलब मैं किसी भी बुक स्टोर में मार्वल देखता हूँ, वहाँ पे अगर मैं खरीद नहीं सकता, बैठ के मैं 5-5, 6-6 घंटे रीडिंग करके निकल जाता हूँ। 1500 की कॉमिक्स होती है उन लोगों की, अब हर कोई तो नहीं खरीद सकता ना, वो भी इतनी सारी, तो पढ़ो निकलो। तो जो मतलब मार्वल के जो कॉमिक्स पे जो वो होते हैं ना, मतलब उनका फ्रंट पेज होता है, उसके कुछ सीन्स इस मूवीज़ में हैं, तो देखने के लिए एक्साइटमेंट है 90s के ज़माने की, तो मज़ा आएगा।
ओके ग्रेट। सो
पनिशर को भी देखने में मज़ा आएगा।
किसको?
पनिशर आपने देखी नहीं?
अरे मैंने कुछ और ही सुना, पनिशर जैसे सुना मैंने।
नहीं, पनिशर को भी देखने में मज़ा आएगा, और मैं चाहता हूँ स्पाइडरमैन इसमें तड़पे, उसको तकलीफ हो, जिसको देख के मजा आएगा मुझे कि अरे अपनी भी लाइफ ऐसी है ना,
तड़प रहे तुम भी तड़प।
हाँ, वो हीरो हम भी बनेंगे।
प्लीज बताइए कि आपको ये मूवी कैसी लगी? डिड इट मीट योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस और नॉट?
मेरा तो हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन थे, लेकिन मूवी तो ठीक ठाक लगा मुझे, लेकिन पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन अच्छा था मुझे।
अच्छा नहीं है?
पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन अच्छा था।
अच्छा।
और बाकी सब तो मुझे अच्छा ही लगा।
ओके सो मतलब आपको लग रहा है ये जो हाइप है वो एकदम सही है, लाइक मीट कर रहा है वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस हाइप?
मतलब स्पाइडरमैन फैंस के लिए एक अच्छा ही है मौका।
ओके,
तो एंजॉय करेंगे वो लोग।
ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द लव स्टोरी, वो सही था?
हाँ, उतना सही नहीं था।
तो मतलब आपको पसंद आया कि नहीं आया पूरा मूवी?
मूवी तो पसंद आया मुझे,
लेकिन कुछ कुछ खामियां है।
हाँ ठीक।
ओके सो आप और कुछ बोलना चाहते हो तो वो बोल सकते हो।
मैं और कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ, मैं अभी तो डूम्सडे के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ।
ओह ओके ओके। हाँ। So do you like the movie? Like did it meet your expectations?
I mean I did, but I was expecting a lot more. Maybe that's my fault, but yeah, the movie was great, and yeah, it's a one time. It made me happy. That's all I could say. It made
So
me
as a fan, you're happy?
I am happy for sure.
Okay, great. So did it like what about the love story?
Yeah, it was emotional though, but they made a fool of Peter initially, but then it went good. So it was great. I would say it was great.
So are you excited for Doomsday?
I am really excited for Doomsday. I was actually expecting a post-credit scene, but that didn't meet my expectation. But that's okay. We can wait for December, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's
And,
see.
what do you think about the Gen Z's hype, and especially the hype in India? Like, is it real? Is it worth it? Or
It is worth it. That's why I bought this mask, I guess. But yeah, it is worth it because No Way Home has set a very good expectation, I would say. But yeah, it's a good expectation, and yeah, the hype is real, I would say. So go guys, watch it. One time watches.
okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.